Hey guys, so I'm going to jump right into the video. So the first thing I did was I just took a shirt and used as a template. You can use whatever type of shirt you want, long sleeve, tank top, whatever you prefer. And then I took some underwear as the bottom portion of my bodysuit. Now I'm just taking some fabric chalk and I'm basically just going to trace around my pieces that I have laid out on my fabric. Once I'm done tracing that out, this is what the outline of the bodysuit looks like. And then I'm just going to cut it out. Since I want my bodysuit to be more of a tank top look, I'm going in with my fabric chalk and lengthening the neck area. So then I just cut that piece out, and then you will see the entire look of how it is completely cut out. And then I'm just going to sew that crotch area together. Once that is done, I'm just going to open up the bodysuit, and then I am actually going to hem around the areas where the legs are, where the arms are supposed to be, and then the neck area as well. So I'm going to do that to the first and second piece of the bodysuit. And so that is what it's looking like. And then I'm basically just going to take that to my sewing machine and just sew that up. Once that is done, I'm going to put right sides together of the bodysuit, and I'm going to pin the straps And then I'm going to pin the sides of the bodysuit together, and then I'm going to take that to my sewing machine. So here is the final and complete look of the bodysuit. And so now I'm just going to try it on and show you all what it looks like while I have it on. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to comment down below any other sewing and fashion video ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.